I bet hurry, I don't get time.
No way. I'm working on that.
Okay.
She daddy.
God have mercy upon us.
Hello? What's this now? You're in Bamenda, you want to make money, you keep disturbing me. I've told you if you're looking for a way to make money, Coming Forest Academy just launched in Bamenda. So now Bamenda has a physical forest academy situated at Commercial Avenue, precisely at the 40 building on the 3rd floor. And registration is ongoing now. On the 25th of this month, classes will begin. For more info, you can contact the number on your screen. So do this and make money, my friend. Stop calling me and busy, you know. Stop this. I want with you.
Hallelujah.
Hey!
My God.
He's crying.
We are done. Let me go.
Pay you, I beg my money, man, go.
Let me get the point. You want me to pay you something I'm the one stressing my doom on it?
Say, you don't want to sila.
No, to my box. You unbox me. Let me know. Let me pay you for something and they want stressing my binda. Are you ready? Oh, I'm going to Mommy. Oh, boy. Now, wow.